At altitude, precision is paramount as the payload is released. On the ground, raw power translates into forward momentum.
It's the human element that truly drives these machines. The preparation and camaraderie of the flight crew are essential.
The bond between air and ground is built on absolute trust.
All systems green, flight controls confirmed.
Roger that. Ready for departure.
The pre-flight inspection is paramount.
How are the hydraulic levels looking?
All green, pressure is nominal.
Prior to pushback, the ground crew must perform critical safety checks. Here we see the removal of the main gear wheel chocks and the bypass pin. The narrator observes the final signals before engine start. The narrator notes the readiness of the pilot.
With a clear signal, the ground crew confirms the area is safe, authorizing the pilot to initiate engine start protocols.
Standing here, the scale of the B-2 is truly apparent. It dominates this massive hangar. A masterpiece. Inspection of the aircraft's stealth coating requires meticulous attention to detail. Ensuring the integrity of the airframe is paramount for its operational success.
As it rolls out of the hangar, the sheer scale of the flying wing is apparent. This stealth geometry is what makes the B-2 so revolutionary.
The markings here, Spirit of Pennsylvania and Spirit of Louisiana, are a testament to the unit's pride and heritage.
Watch the marshalling signals. Every movement is aggressive yet perfectly precise, guiding this massive aircraft with ease.
Moving the B-2 requires seamless coordination. As you can see, the ground controller is essential to guiding the aircraft safely down the taxiway.
The intensity of the takeoff sequence builds. The pilot feels the anticipation of lift.
The ascent is effortless. Watch closely as the gear retracts, showcasing the truly seamless design of this magnificent machine.
The boom operator guides the connection with surgical precision, a delicate link between two giants at nearly 30,000 feet.
With landing lights ablaze against the dusk sky, the aircraft begins its graceful descent. The approach
Contact. The airframe transitions from flight to ground control.
To scrub off the incredible speed, the pilot deploys the drag chute, a critical part of the braking system.
Drag chute. The drag chute is designed to drastically reduce speed. And watch the aerodynamic profile change now.
It is truly remarkable to witness the consistency of these pilots. Even as the light fades, their performance remains impeccable.
We track the aircraft as it moves toward the ramp. On the ground, the bomber presents an imposing silhouette, its black coating absorbing the fading light.
It is this flying wing design that gives the aircraft such incredible stability. Look at how flat and
it works. Immediately upon touchdown, the drag chute is deployed. As you can see, it billows open instantly.
The alien geometry of the B-2 is striking. It's a razor-thin profile moving directly towards us.
As the ground crew manages the taxi, the sheer width of the wingspan becomes breathtakingly apparent.
there is a profound stillness after the flight. The immense power contained within this unique profile is truly something to behold.
As the Spirit moves to the hangar, the contrast is clear. Modern stealth alongside Cold War muscle.
The specific airframe can be identified by its markings right here, the Spirit of Arizona.
Coordination of the ground crew is essential. It takes precise teamwork to guide these massive aircraft to a stop.
Turning some reversers, and just like that, the massive turbines begin their final wind down. This is where the ground crew takes over.
The logistical support here is critical. The crew is now securing the main refueling line, which connects directly to the aircraft's fuel systems.
It takes an incredible amount of coordination to keep these birds in the air. The scale of this support operation is truly something to behold.
Make sure the strut compression is within limits.
It is. It is. All green on the checklist.
Post-flight complete.
The pressure readings on panel 12 are still elevated.
Confirmed. The diagnostic shows it's within tolerance, but we'll double check the sensor.
All right, keep me posted before we close up.
Yes, ma'am. The logistical flow here is critical. This aircraft requires thousands of gallons, and we monitor the exact volume on...
Deep under the shadow of the wing, the maintainers perform critical, often unseen work, dragging heavy cables to connect the ground power units. As the crew accesses the internal systems, the sheer complexity of the hydraulic lines and avionics bays becomes apparent.
Maintaining these aircraft requires absolute precision and seamless collaboration. It's a dynamic ballet of practice skill.
With maintenance concluded, the aircraft is prepared for its next standby period. This cycle of readiness is essential to our operation.
Final checks are the last line of defense. This ongoing vigilance is critical before every takeoff.
This aircraft represents the pinnacle of aerospace engineering. Its sleek design and silent presence speak volumes about the dormant power it holds.
With the engines winding down, the crew ensures all safety measures are in place, particularly hearing protection against the residual noise.
The B-2 bomber dominates the flight line. When placed in context alongside base traffic like this service van,
Their job complete, the crew stands relaxed by the nose gear. A picture of silent readiness, the fleet waits patiently for the next mission.
From the skies to the tarmac, the mission never truly ends. Always watching, always ready.